Yeah. Thank you very much. Now won't make me shy. Welcome everybody. My name is Kenny Joker. For those of you that don't know me, I'm a stand-up comedian. Yeah. This car I no get. Now today it really pay me. This car I no get. You know, say if you enter public bus, may come out with your own order. Normally, me I dey smell like fufu na me be that. Fufu na my signature. The guy within near me, they smell like tomato. The other day my side, they smell good leaf. Come like so they cook inside the bus. Cause not all they smell giri, you know. Come out and they smell better rice, but it's fine. Very fine, man. Times are hard, though. Yeah, times are hard. People will promise us 24 hours light, they don't go buy solar. Nigeria now be like comedy show now. Tinubu dey host us. Governors now performing act. If you get any work where they pay you now, hold on tight to don't leave that work. Nobody get work for Nigeria again. The only person where they work for Nigeria now, na very dark man lawyer. Only that guy dey work. Jesus. Every day now a client they get kissed. Anytime very dark man talk, all right, a lawyer dey back here they dance. Credit alert. Bro, even the remaining works the works will remain for the country. If you go for interview now, so they ask you rubbish question. 4 years ago, I go find security job. Oh. For interview, manager they ask me say, Kenny, hope you're fluent in your English. I don't understand the thief the way they come from England. Waiting cause I fluent English and security job. Bro, times are hard though. Look at me where you go know say I be first one of my family. Yeah, my family they look up to me and they look up to Sporty Bet. When I see that Sporty Bet and the weapon fashion against Nigerian youth, oh, Jesus. If not, tell me why I go play Mbappe to score 2. Match start, they no put am. Bro, they no put Mbappe. That Sporty Bet, very rubbish thing, oh. You know, say one of my guy don't calm down book game. You know, say the game calm down cut. Bro, no, times are really hard though. Economy don't tough. It affects people they do legal business and people they do illegal business. It affects everybody. Yes now, when last night I say flying bullet touch person.
Like a soft touch person.
Bullet don't cause. Armed robbers now they are careful while shooting. When I know say economy affect armed robbers call robbers on Sunday, they no carry gun. No. If you see cane. Your money or your life. My life, sir. Bro, economy very tough. Oh. Every day now they pray to God. May you just give me small body. Yeah, being a slim guy is not easy. Yeah, see, being a slim guy, it comes with a lot of challenges. It comes with a lot of challenges now. Bro, no, they body shame also. One guy don't see me and I say, oh boy, look like I never chop since morning. I tell him, say, no, now since yesterday night, correct yourself. Times are hard. And I don't know why we say slim guys, they like thick girls. Yeah, slim guys like thick girls. Yeah, slim guys and thick girls just be like Calabar people with dog meat. They like that self. And if they come, they knock now. They come, they give them riding style. They come resembling proper fraction. Where the numerator is bigger than the denominator. Bro, times are hard though. Now I always advise people, try your best to make money. Forget all this way they talk, say money is the root of evil. See, poverty now be the branch, it is spread. Yes, bro. I'm talking out of experience. The way I carry broke now. Even goodness and mercy, they avoid me. See, between me and wretchedness now, we just a thin line. Small thing, I don't wretched. One guy see me for gate. guy see me forget. He say, bro, you're a comedian, right? I say, yeah. He say, please, can you make me laugh? Show the guy my OP account. Laugh, nearly kill him. Bro, but for real, even though you don't get money, try get friends who get money, get why. Now, no, as I broke like this, I'm the richest in my clique. Yeah, I will explain. See one of my guy way nowhere. We carry him go hospital yesterday. The boy got appendix. No, sir, as doctor T and Belle finish, doctor start to laugh. We say, why they laugh? Now I say, oh, boy, no be small Gary, this boy they drink. Gary just full kidney. Bro, try your best to make money. Oh. Economy don't tough. I lost my dad 6 years ago. Now no say I pay for my drink yesterday, just they laugh. I say, Daddy, why they laugh? Now he say yes, so they buy food at 1-2. Say thank God saying that at that time. Oh. Say if to saying their life now, this year for still die. So they see my father be. Bro, tough times oh. Because of the way now the economy don't day, they make the rate of begging in Nigeria now is getting so high. So that's why the Bible talks say giver shall never lack. It depends on where they give you. Mama, you see Lekki, Peninsula Gate. If you they give there every day, if you no lack, man, die. Jesus, people they beg you. Now for that place, one guy don't come meet me. Say, oh boy, chief, I never chop this morning. I bet if you give me 10K. So you get that kind of high level of feeding, now you they beg. The remaining beggars, we know they that Lekki. And for WhatsApp, they do. Those ones, we call them mobile beggars. See, those ones, before you post anything about sources, you need to mute them. One guy don't text me around 2 a.m. 2 a.m.
Online beggars.
Them say, after my bro, I beg, if you raise me 10K, oh, now me fall am. Different strategy. One guy don't text me, say, after bro, I beg, just do me 5K, my access bank no they open. I say, okay, send us. I know say the idiot still send me access back. Bro, I'm not even left out. I'm not left out. If not before, if you ask person for 3K, you go just send your answer. Or I'll do it tomorrow morning. This morning I ask my guy for 3K. As the message deliver, the boy start to record voice note. The boy record voice note from 7 o'clock to 7:30. I got text now. I say, bro, forget about the money. Because this album is the record drop. Let me go find something. Good night, ladies and gentlemen. Enjoy the rest of the day.